Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. This is the hybrid version, but we're just talking about the tail lights. It'll be the same on all 2012s. So we're going to go over how you would replace your reverse light bulb at this time and how you would remove this housing to be able to replace it if this lights out. So start with, you'll pop your trunk and raise it up. So with it raised up, you get access to be able to remove this carpet piece, because we'll need to remove this to be able to get to the... Now these are a push pin right here, and they're just they're with a screwdriver head. So you screw them out a little bit, and then you're able to pull them out. The standard Phillips head, and you'll be able to just kind of back them out and then pull them out. Now, for the purpose, we're only really working on this half side. So I don't need to take them all out unless you want to. Sometimes it's easier to just take the whole thing off. But we'll pull, at least to get half of them out. And then, because this side has a handle, we'll want to remove the handle, which you'll need to pop this cover back. And then you'll got two Phillips screws in here. Okay, and now you'll be able to just pull this around over your little bumper tab here. Just gonna remove the rest of it just to make it easy. Okay, so we pop that cover off to give us more easy access up here. And so to the reverse light bulb is right here, and you're going to just twist that a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise and be able to pull it out. And then once you get the bulb out there, then you can just pull this out and get your new one put back in. And this is a 921 is what this light bulb is. And so you would get a new 921 and just press the snap in and then be able to put it back in and turn it a quarter turn to the right to tighten it. And that's how you would replace your reverse light bulb on your 2012 Hyundai Sonata. And once you're done there, then you would put your cover back on and push all the push pins back in. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.